Classic Salem Cruise Lite 28VBXL. They also make it in a wildwood. This is, if you're looking for a 2-bedroom, half-ton towable, less than 34 foot, this is the one for you. So to start, you've got all power jacks. Take a look at how big this pass-through storage is. So if the kids want to bring a bunch of stuff, if you guys know you've got a lot of stuff that needs to come with you, you've got plenty of space to do that, and a dry erase board so you don't forget anything. Of course, the power awning, but you've got a great space here for an outside kitchen with the nice lodge, cast iron, griddle, spot for your spices, and then another spot right here to rinse everyone off or wash dishes and do stuff like that outside. Last but not least is you also have a TV backer already installed. So if you guys wanted to hang out and have a movie night outside, you could absolutely do that. Let me show you the inside on how you can do that in there. So lots has changed over the years. This is the 2025 model. So you'll see it's got the new color scheme, the open shelving, this beautiful glass front fireplace, and they're coming with TVs now. If you bought over the past few years, you probably didn't get a TV with yours. Whoops. All right, jackknife sofa with the little chase lounge. We know that this comes out. We're able to flip it around to make a U-shaped dinette if we want, but if this is all dinette that we need, then that is the dinette that you have. Obviously, this will break down into a bed, but you can turn this entire slide into one big bed to have a sleepover if you wanted to. Behind you is the kitchen. 12-volt fridge, very typical what you'll see in most travel trailers. Tons of depth in there, runs off the battery. Solar charges the battery, keeps the fridge going as you're going down the road. A really good feature to have. In 2025, they got us this cool range hood to show, kind of hide the microwave and the range. Just an aesthetic feature. Mid-century modern, pretty cool. You've got your storage. I want to show you this trash can thing. I forget that's here. Check this out. I'm gonna step in front of you. How cool is that? If you have a camper, you know that that's actually really cool, because where we put our trash can is always the question. Trash can, litter box, and shoes. Where do we put our shoes? Let me show you the bathroom. So it started in 2024, I believe, but we still have the on-demand water heater in this, accent lighting behind the mirror, of course, storage galore. I love that they do like a radius shower curtain on it. So if you need to like put your elbows up to be able to wash your hair, there's space to do so. And then of course the fishbowl if you're tall. The reason why this camper is still in existence after all these years is because of this back bedroom back here. Kids will have their own AC. This all...
You look weak.
Ow! Why did that hurt? Oh, because it's locked in place.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to edit that if you don't want to. I'm dumb. Okay, listen. It did not used to be locked in place. Usually we're relying on the struts, but now we don't have to rely on the struts anymore because it locks in place. So you guys got me there. This one's locked in place too, so I'm gonna actually pull the lock on this one. So those go up. Kids will have tons of play space back here. But then if grandma and grandpa want to go, or someone that's bigger than a child wants to go, this makes into a queen size bed down here. You can sleep 10 incredibly comfortably. Incredibly comfortable? Y'all are gonna be sleeping good in this camper. Last but not least, let's go check out the master bedroom. Plenty of walk around space in this bad boy. But that's because of the VersaTilt. The bed is up right now. When it comes down, you've got maybe 6-7 inches to the wall. Still really good walk around space. But you know, in this short of a camper, there's give and take. At least we have the VersaTilt now. And if you need to sleep sitting up, you've got that opportunity to do so. Plenty of nightstand space on both sides, 110 and USB. So that way, if you've got CPAP, charge your phones, charge your iPads, whatever you need to plug in there. And then of course some wardrobe storage upstairs and downstairs, and then overhead. So if you'd like to check out more campers like this, come hang out with us here at RV Connection in Lawton, Oklahoma. Can't wait to get you camping.